Have you ever laid in bed, eyes wide open, your mind racing, tired, but just can't fall asleep? You're not alone. In a world full of noise, pressure, and glowing screens, a peaceful night's sleep has become a rare gift. But what if I told you, sleep isn't something you chase, it's something you prepare for. And today, I'm going to share with you 10 simple yet powerful ways to help you sleep better, naturally. Let's begin. 1. Set a consistent sleep schedule. The human body loves rhythm. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, trains your internal clock. Soon, your body will know exactly when it's time to rest and when it's time to rise. Make it a ritual. Same time, every night. Your sleep will thank you. 2. Limit screen time before bed. Your phone, your laptop, your TV, they all emit blue light that tricks your brain into staying awake. It shuts down melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. So turn off the screens, at least 30 minutes before bed. Pick up a book. Listen to calming music. Let your mind slow down. 3. Cut the caffeine in the afternoon. That cup of coffee at 5 p.m., it might still be in your system at midnight. Caffeine stays in your body longer than you think. So if you want to fall asleep faster, avoid coffee, tea, and sodas after 2 p.m. Give your body time to wind down. 4. Create your perfect sleep space. Think of your bedroom as your sleep sanctuary. Dim the lights, cool the temperature. Use blackout curtains. Keep it quiet, clean, and calm. The right environment can lull your body into sleep mode, like magic. 5. Exercise during the day, not at night. Daily movement helps you sleep deeper. It burns stress. It balances your energy. But here's the catch. Avoid intense workouts right before bed. They energize your body when it should be slowing down. Morning walks, afternoon yoga. Your sleep will feel the difference. 6. Meditate or breathe deeply. The body sleeps only when the mind lets go. Before bed, try this. Sit still, close your eyes, breathe in slowly, and breathe out even slower. Even 5 minutes of deep breathing or mindfulness can quiet the chaos inside and invite peace. 7. Eat light, not late. Eating too much or too little before bed can disturb your sleep. Heavy, spicy, or sugary meals can make your body work overtime. But going to bed hungry can also keep you restless. Aim for a light, balanced dinner. And if needed, a small snack like bananas or warm milk before bed. Let your body rest, not digest. 8. Take a warm shower before bed. There's something magical about warm water. It soothes your muscles. It slows your heart rate. It tells your body, hey, it's time to relax now. After the shower, your body temperature cools, a natural signal for sleep to begin. 9. Write down your thoughts. Sometimes, it's not the body that's tired. It's the mind that won't shut off. Worries, to-do lists, unfinished conversations. Write them down. Release them from your mind to the page. It's like decluttering your brain before bed. Let the paper hold your thoughts for the night. 10. Keep naps short and sweet. Naps are great if you know how to use them. Too long, and they mess with your night's sleep. Too late in the day, and you'll toss and turn at bedtime. Aim for just 15 to 20 minutes. Early afternoon is best. A short nap refreshes. A long one resets your clock the wrong way. Sleep isn't a luxury. It's a foundation for energy, for clarity, for healing, for joy. And while we can't control every stress in life, we can control how we prepare for rest. Tonight, choose peace. Create the space. Honor the rhythm. And let your body do what it was born to do. Rest. Because when you sleep well, you rise well. And that's when life begins to feel light again.